Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this video I will explain theory of origin of language, that is, tool making source. Let's start. Some believe development of human hand leads to manual gestures, which can be precursor of language. Million years ago humans had developed preferential right-handedness and become capable of making stone tools. Tool making by using both hands is evidence of brain at work. The human brain. The human brain is not lateralized, has specific functions in each of two hemispheres, the functions which control motor movements, complex vocalization, speaking, and object manipulation. Tool making are very close to each other in left hemisphere. The area of motor cortex that controls muscles of hands and jaws is next to articulatory muscles of face, jaw, and tongue. So we can say that there was evolutionary connection between language using and tool using abilities of human, and that both were involved in the development of speaking brain. Proof: experienced stonecutter was passed through an experience and his pattern of blood flow was same while working and while speaking.